Hey, can you grab things? Probably not, but this robot can. Today, we connected our robotic arm to OpenClaw. This is our 60OF robotic arm, powered by a lightweight agent, Nanobot. Let's see what it sees. What can you see now? It's thinking, and then it gives its answer. 3 vegetables, and it knows they're fake. Tools, mannequin, no problem. Okay, let's test another visual ability it has, visual capture. Can you grab the eggplant? First try. Missed. No problem. Try again. Adjust, retry. Can you grab the eggplant again? And success. Let's push it further. Read what's on the notebook. Can you see the notebook on the table? It reads Agile X and even a math problem. This is just the beginning. What should it learn next? Drop it below.